If you are tired of manually switching API keys just to bypass the rate limits, this tool is here to automate that handoff. And using this OmniRoute tool, I'm going to be building my own AI Explorer, which can connect to 237 plus AI providers through a single free AI gateway. Hello everyone and welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local and free AI tools to build practical AI projects. So let's cover what this OmniRoute tool is all about. You can think of it as a smart, invisible traffic cop sitting right on your own computer. It takes all the requests from your AI coding tools and instantly figures out what is the cheapest and fastest way to get you an answer. Instead of being logged into OpenAI or Anthropic, this gateway connects you to a massive pool of 237 different AI providers. And the best part is that over 90 of these have free AI tier that you can use right away without pulling out a credit card. And because it combines all these free tiers together, you get 1.6 billion of free AI token each month. And it does all the math and the balancing act in the background, so you don't have to worry about your work ever hitting a hard wall. And you don't even have to change how you actually work right now. If you are already using popular AI coding agents like Cursor, Copilot, or Claude Code, you just point them to this one local endpoint and it handles everything behind the scenes. And the promise of this tool is that it will never hit any kind of API limits, because we all know the pain of an API just hitting the limit when we are in the middle of a complex script. But with the auto fallback feature of this OmniRoute tool, if one provider drops or fails, OmniRoute will just silently catches the error and tries the next best provider in just milliseconds. And this solves the main pain point of all the developers, that you don't even have to juggle between the 10 dashboards anymore, and we don't have to change our dead API keys or the system variables anymore. And if you're living in any region where certain AI servers are blocked, this tool has you covered. It uses a smart 3-level proxy and a TLS stealth to mask your traffic, meaning you can access top-tier AI models from literally anywhere in the world. And the real magic of OmniRoute is something called combos, where you define just basically a chain of different AI models that the router will automatically switch between based on the rules that you yourself set. Let's say if you don't want to overthink it, you can directly set the mode as auto, where the system will look at all the providers you are connected to and instantly score them to pick the best balance of speed, cost, and quality for that specific prompt. You can also give it specific directions. Let's say if you are working on a very expensive data preprocessing task and you want to save money, you can use the auto cheap tag and it will prioritize the absolute lowest cost per token. On the flip side, if you are doing real-time coding and hate waiting, then you can use the auto fast option that will instantly route your request to the model with the lowest latency at that exact second. And if you are a power user, there are 17 routing strategies that you can build on your own, where you can set it to cycle through the providers one by one, picking completely at random, and even prioritize the providers that are about to reset their quota. Here you can see all the different kind of strategies that you can choose. The best one I found was the fusion one, where you can fire off your prompt to a whole panel of different models at the exact same time, and then use a judge model to combine all their answers to one perfect response. And if you are working in a team and just share a simple pro account, one person running a heavy script can lock everyone else out. But Quota Share fixes this by evenly dividing the usage across everyone's keys. And it is also smart enough to not waste resources, as if one member is idle, their slice of quota is automatically lent out to whoever needs it, so you are always maximizing what you are paying for. Now to use this OmniRouter in my own local setup, I'm going to be using Google Anti-Gravity as my IDE. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your own platform. Once you are in Google Anti-Gravity, just go to the file menu and open any folder in your system as the current project directory. And then you can copy all the code files and the readme file that I am putting in the GitHub link in description and pin comments to directly get started with this tool. First, we are going to install all the dependencies that we are going to need for this project. You can just use this simple command, open the terminal by expanding this below pan and pasting them here. Now, once everything is installed, I will use two different ways to generate the outputs using this OmniRoute tool. First, I will be generating a markdown formatted report using this generate_report.py file. To build this, we are just using the simple OpenAI SDK by simply pointing out our base URL to our local port of this OmniRoute local key. The OmniRoute tool will actually act like a universal translator and handle all the heavy lifting in the background. So you don't even have to juggle between different SDKs in your code. You just need to provide this OpenAI provider and the request will be sent to Anthropic, Gemini, or even local Olama models by the OmniRoute tool. We are just telling the OpenAI client to look at our local server of this 20128, and it will instantly connect to the massive pool of free models. Then I'm using the standard chat completion module from the OpenAI client and giving a system instruction that you are a professional technical analyst, and my user query is that it should generate a short 3-point markdown report on AI performance and token efficiency, title it AI Performance Analyst Report, include an executive summary, key insights, and a footer in the final report. Then once I get the report content, I'm going to be opening an outputs.md file and write all the content in the write mode. Once the report is successfully saved, I'll print the success message. And in case of any error, I'll just say that we have failed to connect to OmniRoute. So just ensure that you are installing all the dependencies correctly. And once this Python file is called, I'll directly call the generate markdown report function. Now I just need to call this file using this simple command. I'll press enter, and it is initiating the report generation by the OmniRoute tool. And it has given the final report in this outputs.md file. It's saying that this report was generated by the OmniRoute gateway. It successfully routed the request using the auto fallback strategy. So now it has given the key AI insights on token efficiency, that by using the RTK and the Caveman token compression, the input token that we sent to the request was reduced by 45%, and the primary provider handled the request within 850 ms, eliminating any need of any kind of fallback model. And the request was completed within an estimated cost of 0 as it routed to a free tier provider. So the report was connected generated. The second option is the app.py file, where I have generated a Streamlit dashboard using the same OmniRoute AI Explorer. And here user can provide any kind of prompt they want, and it will be routed using the OmniRoute tool. And again, the query will be answered using that same client.chat.completions. So you can launch this dashboard using Streamlit run app.py. So I'll just copy this command, paste it here, and you will see the full dashboard here. You can select your routing strategy here, then give your input prompt and generate the response. So we can directly use it as an online chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Anthropic, or you can even deploy it as a website using the deploy button. In the README file, I've also listed down some different use cases and the future feature additions that you can do on top of this project. Like you can do unified AI benchmarking on different models on the same prompt without changing any API keys. Then we can do the automated code reviews, token optimized chats, build resilient AI pipelines that never fail due to the rate limits, and also do everything on local first development that I have done right now using the localhost URL. Then you can check the multimodal comparison by directly adding a split screen UI in the Streamlit, visualize the cost and token saving by adding an analytical panel, add a system prompt library so the user can switch between the different system instructions on the go. Then we can have the capability to add the PDF and document parsing as well, where we can add an upload document button just the same way as Gemini or ChatGPT. And we can also generate live markdown reports into the console instead of waiting for the full response. So that was the breakdown of the OmniRoute, where we built a highly resilient token-saving AI application using a few lines of Python code and a local router. All codes, including the Streamlit app and the markdown report generator, will be available in the GitHub link in the description and pinned comments. So you can grab them right now and get started with the project easily. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds updates and workflows.